Okay, so back at you here. I have left hand lining and then the outer. So to sew an outer, it actually looks like you're sewing a right-handed lining, which you are, but we're going to flip it inside out so that it becomes the outer cover. So when you flip it inside out, obviously it becomes the opposite. So one second here. So having it flipped inside out, now you can see our finished edge is what's visible all around. And I'm going to slip the red lining piece inside here so that we have a 2-layer fleece mittens. These are extra warm and cozy. Okay, so I have the fleece lining inside, and you can see this is our left-handed mitten now. Hopefully this is easy to see. 3 pieces. And the red lining is a bit longer, so I am just going to trim that even. And then what I'll do is I'll sew, so I'll open this up, and I'll just sew around the entire top edge here. I like to go in about, maybe I would say an inch from the edge to where the needle will end up being. And I'm just going to sew all the way around the inside. And then once I'm done, I'll have this extra here that I'll just cut little snips in to make a frayed edge. So I've got this sewn now. You can see my line all the way around here. And now, oh, there's a little string. I'm just going to grab my scissors and I'll just snip around the top edge here. Oh, scissors, where did you go? There you are. I'll just snip around this top edge. Just be sure not to cut beneath that line that you sewed. So one second here and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I just snipped around that top edge with my scissors and then you get this little frayed edge. So now we have one complete left-handed mitten. Typically I'll do both colors at the same time. I'll do the liner first on both the right and left, and then I'll do the outer just to make sure I did sew a left and a right on both. And these are really, really warm. So these will keep someone's hands very warm and cozy. They're long, so they can go up under their coat if they have a coat, or at least protect their wrists a little bit if they don't. And if you prefer to do a different finished edge around the top, that is perfectly fine. We chose to modify what we were doing, or I chose to, I should say, just to keep it a little more simple and save some time, because we know time is a hot commodity and we just want to get as many mittens made as possible. So that's the mitten tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.